Before AI can analyze data, we need to collect it, and how we collect that data matters just as much as what we do with it. Today, we're diving into how to harvest up-to-date, usable data directly from BrightMLS, the first step toward smarter insights.
Okay, once you've made sure that you've logged into Bright, you're going to select from the search drop-down list and choose which type of search you're going to be doing. For today's example, we're going to choose the residential sale. When you start out, all of the selection criteria are blank. From the location filter, type in the area that you'd like to search. If this is an area that you're going to be routinely searching, you can click on the gear and set that search criteria as your starting default. And now this will come up every time in your search criteria. We're going to be looking at closed sales today, and we're going to go back 1 year, 365 days. This gives us a total of 4,889 matches. Before we pull all these matches, we want to make sure that we have detached, which lowered it another 1,000. And I think we'll leave everything else the way it is. Let's go look at the results. Here we are at the results page, and you can see all the information stacked up together. There's 302 pages of information. I'd like to take it all. If I click the checkbox here, I will in fact only just be selecting the first 10 items. So what we're going to do is click all button here. This checks all 3,115 elements. At the bottom, we are going to choose export. From the export screen, I like to go with standard export. And then all I need to do is click the export. On the next video, I'll show you how to clean and scrub the data.